We just arrived in BGC and we're trying the most affordable hotel here. Welcome to the Red Planet The Fort. And dito na tayo sa double room of the Red Planet The Fort. So as you enter, on the right side is the ensuite, toilet and bath, which I will show you later. And right across may area dyan where you can hang your clothes. And meron din ditong hair dryer. And if you're bringing work here, meron din ditong work area. And if you have valuables, meron din ditong safety deposit box and meron ding mini fridge. And we provided rin na coffee mugs and electric kettle. And we have here a BGC map. So nandito tayo, yung Red Planet The Fort. And our room comes with a queen-size bed. And they provide bath towels. And I really like the bed frame of our room. It's very functional. There's a space here where you can put your luggage. And maganda rin pala yung sockets nila dito sa room kasi may mga USB ports. So if in case nakalimutan nyo yung charger nyo, don't you worry. Makapag-charge kayo ng gadgets nyo dito sa room. And across the bed is a television. By the way, meron sila ditong Google Chromecast. So later, try natin yan. By the way, double room is only 16 square meters, but personally, I don't feel na maliit itong room na to. At isa pang gusto ko dito is that the room comes with a window. And yan yung view natin from our window. And natuwa ko sa location nitong Red Planet The Fort because walking distance lang to malls. And nandyan yung Mitsukoshi, tanaw na tanaw natin from our room. Okay, yung street niyan is 40th Street. And yan yung 10th Avenue dito sa BGC. And kita rin dito yung nearby McDonald's. And there's a toilet and bath. It's spotlessly clean. May hot and cold shower. May provided rin na 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Time check is 5:30 p.m. And we're done with our room tour. By the way, first time ko lang nga pala in a Red Planet Hotel. And I'm so happy because nandito tayo ngayon sa Red Planet The Fort. Given that this is a budget-friendly hotel, I was really impressed na spotlessly clean yung room nila dito. I didn't expect much about the service, but when I arrived earlier, I was surprised na yung staff nila dito, the reception, the front desk, even the guard, they were all very warm and welcoming. And I was even assisted with my luggage earlier going here in my room. So ngayon, labas tayo, pakita ko sa inyo yung hallway and lobby of this hotel. So there's a room 1210. And nandito na tayo ngayon sa elevator area, dito sa 12th floor. And we're now at the reception area. And here at Red Planet, you can also buy cozy kit, which contains dental kit and hotel sleepers for only 45 pesos. And you can also buy snacks here at the lobby. And if you're staying here sa Red Planet, pwede kayo magpa-grab food and they have a grab locker here. And dito sa lobby, may ATM din. And they also have IMAX here if you simply want to browse the internet. And they also have magazines and board games here. And may available ding Red Planet merch. And Red Planet is also eco-friendly, so they don't provide bottled water, but may water refilling area naman dito. And here at the reception area, there's a coffee shop. It's Tomorrow Coffee. And we're now at the facade of the Red Planet The Fort. Very nice. And I really love the stylish exterior of the Red Planet. And from the Red Planet, tatawid lang kayo, meron din ditong Starbucks. And besides Starbucks, meron din dyan 7-Eleven, may Dunkin, and BPI. Okay, we're back na dito sa room natin. As what I've shown you, very nice din yung exterior itong Red Planet The Fort. This is just walking distance to various malls dito sa BGC. And we all know that BGC is a walkable community. Imagine, with just 6-minute walk, nasa Mitsukoshi Mall ka na. And if you want to go to Uptown Mall, it's also a 6-minute walk. And I was also surprised na napakalapit lang din dito ng St. Michael the Archangel Parish. And if you're wondering how to book a Red Planet Hotel, you can visit redplanet.hotels.com. Alternatively, pwede rin po kayo mag-book via Agoda or Klook. And since I'm an Agoda ambassador, you can get extra discounts using my promo code OAWAGODA. And I also have a promo code in Klook, that's OAWKLOOK. So ngayon, labas muna tayo for our dinner. Okay, we're back na dito sa Red Planet The Fort. So if you're staying here, you need not to worry about food. May mga nearby restaurants and malapit lang din sa malls. However, if you don't want to go outside, pwede rin kaya mapag-grab food dito. At ang gusto ko pa, this is in BGC, so I totally felt safe while walking around. You need not to worry about your safety and security. And malapit din tong Red Planet to other landmarks or places to visit here in BGC. For example, St. Luke's is just 5-minute drive away from here. And McKinley, Venice Grand Canal, mga 10-minute drive away from this hotel. And if you want to see the newest attraction dito sa BGC, which is the portal, nasa Bonifacio High Street po yun. It's roughly 15 to 20-minute walk. And kung magdadrive naman po kayo or grab, mga 5-minute drive going there. Kung SM Ora naman po or Market, mga 10-minute drive depending on traffic. And speaking of driving, if you're bringing a car, you need not to worry about parking kasi may parking area sila dito. And if you're commuting naman, accessible naman tong Red Planet na Grab car. And by the way, if you work remotely, they have a Wi-Fi here. And check na natin yung internet speed. As what you can see, mabilis yung internet nila dito. So you can work from the Red Planet, the Fort. Okay, since we're on a staycation, we'll just chill here and relax. And ang maganda dito, they have Google Chromecast. So, pwede natin connect yung smartphone natin and we can watch Netflix, YouTube, and many more. And if you're not familiar with Chromecast like me, don't you worry, meron naman ditong instructions. Good morning, Saturday. It's our second and last day nandito sa the Red Planet The Fort. Late tayo nagising. It's actually 9:30 AM already. And I forgot to mention, nandyan pala yung Kalayaan Avenue. And ngayon, baba muna tayo. Let's have breakfast dyan sa McDonald's. Okay, we're back na dito sa hotel. And actually, I'm supposed to check out na by 12 noon. But while having breakfast, naisip ko na mag-extend ako dito since I had a restful stay here. And at the same time, dito ako mag-edit yung mga vlogs natin and magre-relax na rin for another night. And by the way, dito sa The Red Planet, they do have two types of room. The double room, kung nasan tayo ngayon, and the twin room. And ang bait talaga ng staff nila dito. I asked the reception earlier kung pwede kong silipin yung twin room. Kaya ngayon, check natin yung twin room here at the Red Planet The Fort. So we're now inside the twin room here at Red Planet The Fort. Actually, same amenities lang naman to with the double room. And ang difference lang is may 2 single beds. Sadly, nandito na tayo sa sad part. Mag-check out na tayo dito sa the Red Planet Hotel, The Fort. And the top 3 things that I like the most about this hotel is first, the room. I should say that I was really surprised by the room here at the Red Planet. It's spotlessly clean, very comfortable matulog dito. Late ako nagigising, and I really had a restful stay here. Sobrang nagustuhan ko magpahinga dito kaya nag-extend ako for another night. And kaya rin ako nag-extend because the rooms here are very affordable. If you are to check hotels inside BGC. Itong the Red Planet is the most affordable and the most budget-friendly. When I checked their website and nag-check din ako ng Agoda and Klook, yung rates dito starts at around 2,600 to 2,700 a night. So if you're visiting BGC po or you simply want to have a staycation here sa BGC and you're looking for an affordable stay, you should stay here at the Red Planet The Fort. And another surprise for me was the superb customer service. And that's the second thing that I like the most about this hotel. Pagdating ko pa dito sa hotel, I was assisted right away. Lahat ng reception were all welcoming. And every time I bump into a staff here, they always smile and greet. And as what I've mentioned, I extended here. When I book online, pagbaba ko na reception, natuwa din ako kasi alam na agad ng front desk that I extended. And that seamless experience is rare to a budget hotel. And the third and the last thing that I like the most about the Red Planet The Fort is the location. As what I've shown in this vlog, may mga malapit na malls dito, may malapit na restaurants, and few minute drive lang to various attractions and landmarks dito sa BGC. So if you're someone from outside Manila or even outside the country and you're visiting BGC, and usually the rates of hotels here in BGC are quite pricey and you don't want to spend that much on hotels, and you're like me who's really particular with their service and the room quality, the Red Planet is perfect for you. So how to book? Just a pro tip. Every time I book my hotels when I travel, I always compare the prices pag direct booking or sa booking apps like Agoda or Klook. So kung ano yung pinakamura sa tatlo, doon ako magbo-book. So here at the Red Planet The Fort, you can book directly. I'll just put their website link in the description box. Alternatively, you can also book in Agoda. I have a discount code that you can use up to 3 times. It's OAWAGODA. Or you can also book via Klook. And I also have a discount code in Klook. It's OAWKLOOK.